I chose Trent Durham because when I was looking at universities, I didn't want to feel like just a number. It's a smaller campus community where you can connect with professors, whether it's asking questions about course content, giving career advice, or having real conversations. That kind of connection isn't as common at a larger university. I originally thought about criminology, but it felt too broad for what I wanted to focus on. The Policing and Community Wellbeing program at Trent Durham stood out to me because it's so hands-on. You're not just learning theory, you're applying your knowledge to real problems in real communities. In my community problem-solving class, I worked on a proposal to help reduce maternal mental health in downtown Oshawa. Getting to work on real community problems was an amazing experience. What I love about this program is the unique mix of courses available. You get a foundation in sociology, criminology, and Indigenous studies, and then in upper years, you're able to focus on policing-specific classes and tackle local community problems. We get to look at current issues and real data and ask ourselves, why is this happening? And how can we actually make a difference right now in our own community? The professors here have genuinely shaped my experience. They bring real-world insight into the classroom, making it easy to understand and apply. They're proud of us when we succeed, and you can genuinely tell they care about their students. The Policing and Community Wellbeing program has really shaped how I see the world. I've learned to approach my community with compassion and look at situations from all perspectives. This mentality is something I'll carry with me into my future career. Alumni of the Policing and Community Wellbeing program have gone into fields such as social work, Durham Regional Police Services, customs, and advocacy for victims of human trafficking. It's incredible to see all of the places this degree can take you. If you would like a university program that is more hands-on and an education that prepares you for meaningful work in communities, Trent Durham's Policing and Community Wellbeing program is for you.